Okay, Wisdom Forex. This Wisdom Forex Academy. I I want to give you a clue on top-down analysis. For anybody to be successful in trading, you must understand top-down analysis. Top-down analysis gives you the larger picture, what you are expecting in the lower time frame, what you should be expecting in the lower time frame. It gives you the larger picture. Now, in top-down analysis, you are going to understand the way of trading. You don't just stand in 4 hours to start thinking on what should I do? Should I place trade or not? In top the analysis, you consider the weekly. Depends on the type of trader you are. If you are a scalper, if you are a day trader, whatever trader you are, you need to consider the time frame, larger time frame, higher time frame, in order for you to pick your trade. Now let's look at weekly or Euro USD. This was one of the trade we had. I'll keep it very simple. In your USD, remember we have a three touch. In price action, it is said that when you have a third touch, that market is strong enough to sell or strong enough to buy. It is not true. It is not true in short. So, but rather, if most times you see that when you have the first touch, second touch, the third touch, if you are selling, you see the market breaking out. Market breaks out. Next thing you see, you're going to see a retest. The next thing you see, boom, as that. But if your strategy, if your analysis, the third touch correlate or conform with your setup, the first touch, we have the first touch here, we have the first touch, second touch, third touch, and then at the third touch, it must give you your setup on your on daily time frame. You must have you must give you setup on daily time frame, while you have the third touch weekly time frame, but in daily time frame you must have your setup. Then what are we looking out for? We are looking out for to see consolidation on daily time frame at the last touch, like what you have seen here. Look at this place here. Let me open it. It's just a secret. Want to see consolidation. This is what we want to see at the last touch. The first touch, second touch, third touch that we have here on weekly. You see, first touch, second, third touch. And the third touch, for us to consider it a sell market, we must see market consolidating at the third touch. Consolidating, what is it trying to tell us? It's trying to tell us that we have gotten to a resistance level. Market will not be able to pass through that place. That is where the market makers will be. They will look for how to trap people in and blow people accounts, and that is where they are trying to gather volatility and volume. You understand? So that is what we are looking at. Now, when you go to GPUSD, you will see almost the same thing. We go to weekly. Remember, higher time frame is what we are looking at for. We had the last 1 year. Then if you go to daily, if you don't see consolidation, don't consider it a trade. That is it. Now, if we go to USD CHF here on the weekly time frame, let's go. You see the same thing that happens here. You see the last touch here where we have the red here, last touch. Then we need to see consolidation on daily. Let's go. Aha, look at it here. We will need to see 1 to 2 or 3 candles being in the same area. We call it consolidation. Whenever we see candles like that, after the third touch on weekly, come down to daily, we want to see consolidation. Candles being in the same position. Then that is the secret we use in trading. Then we now consider it a trade. Now you look at weekly. Now you count it. This is more than 13 weeks. 13 weeks buys on Euro USD. We had here the same thing. We had 12 to 13 weeks. 12 to 13 weeks on a sell. Do you understand me? That is just a secret. So in top-down analysis, you got to understand what you are looking out for. You don't need to trade anything. Know what you are looking out for. Understand? but you must not play with weekly time frame. Weekly time frame tells you what you are expecting on daily time frame. So you see, I just the secret I've just given to you. The last touch, if you have third touch, first one, second touch, third touch. The third touch is not a guarantee that the market will be selling. Rather, the most time market may break up and retest. But for you to be sure that the market will be selling at the third touch, you go down to daily. The market must give you consolidation at the third touch. If you see consolidation, market being in the same position, the same at touch, now know that you have a market to trade. So this is Wisdom Forex Academy. Sign out. Please try and subscribe to my Facebook, YouTube, so that whenever I drop a trading, drop a video, you can benefit from it. Remember, I'll be dropping content that will benefit you. Bye bye. This is Wisdom Forex Academy. Bye bye.